the Q Lab is an opportunity for Q members and non-Q members to come together and work together on a particular kind of complex challenge that lots of people might be facing. So we work on a single challenge for around about 12 months, bring people together from all around the UK and go through kind of 3 phases. So the first is really understanding what's going on with this problem or this challenge. So at the moment we're working on a challenge that's looking at how to improve care for people with persistent pain and mental health problems. So kind of what's hard about that, what's working well about that, what are the challenges and the opportunities. And then we work with kind of individual areas to test and develop ideas for improvement. So maybe taking the best of what we know might be working in some places and supporting people to test improvements in practice. And along the way, people are kind of having opportunities to collaborate, work with other peers in different areas, learn new skills about how to tackle complex challenges. And then at the end, kind of really making the most of Q's breadth. So 2,700 members as things stand, to share that learning and spread that as widely as possible.